Hey, it's Resto-Rob.
So everybody, in the last episode of Tool Haul, you probably saw the pink wrench. Well, it's no longer pink. So sit back, relax, and take a few minutes to watch how I clean this up. In pink, we got ourselves 9AC08 Wright USA 8-inch adjustable. That'll clean up and go into the collection. So I used a little carburetor cleaner. Got all the other stuff off. So let's give it a little WD-40. And this thing is ready to go back into service. Eight-inch Wright. 9AC08. Yeah, this is probably going to go in my tool bag at work. or on my workbench. Here's another one. I did this a while ago, but I got a 12 and an 8. So, pretty happy. So, these are my users in the shop, along with obviously Bonnie. But that was a real-time cleanup. Well, again, all is right with the world, so to speak. Yeah, so I got a nice, clean, like brand new Wright wrench, adjustable wrench. So this is gonna go in my shelf to be a user. So until next time, stay safe, and we will check you later.